What's with that thing? Something's been showing up on my camera for like the past 3 days. It's not a battery thing. It's not a recording thing. It just shows up like every time I start recording. Whatever. I'm gonna need to learn to ignore that. I've been noticing it in like the past 3 of my videos. If you wouldn't mind, Kiki must have a few words to say because she's interrupting me again. Any words, Kiwi? Camera moving. Me. Me. Bird face. Stop doing that. That's inappropriate. Perverted little savage. Now you talk. People. Doorbell. Wow. Interesting. I'm about to record lip dub for Sounds Like by Strawberry17 on team.com. You get featured on like 5 different channels, so I was like, yeah, I need that. I need that for my upcoming parodies. I'm gonna try and do these whenever I find a good enough song to do something with. I think it's only gonna be like 30 seconds though. Depends how much of a preview you're getting, because I don't have anything to download it on. So yeah. Say goodbye, Kiwi. I'm not zooming in on you. Say goodbye. Stupid lip.